Welcome back, everyone. Another interesting day in markets at all-time highs. Let's take a quick look at the market. Yesterday, you saw me bring up a multiple time frame view of the S&P E-mini futures using a powerful, straightforward signaling toolkit, the TRP toolkit developed by 33-time competition-winning trader Rob Hoffman for international domestic competitions with real money on site. No one else out there has done that, and these are the types of tools that he's used to win those competitions. Now, what you can see is on a weekly chart, we're still in a buy signal state, hitting a midline target. That's target 1. That's the midline at 60.46, and that's your target 2. On a daily chart, we also have positive momentum, but these higher highs in price are coming with the subchart, the TRP momentum crossover line, at a lower point versus prior highs. So we made a high back here. We had a higher high on those momentum lines. So we got the concept of a negative divergence. We've moved to a higher high in price, but we don't necessarily have enough fuel to sustain it. Now, there's still room, but the room is starting to compress. And you can see that right over here on the 4-hour chart that tends to capture the next 3 to 5 days out into the future in terms of signaling. We've got a negative momentum shift above the top of the channel. We've run dry from bullish fuel, and we're on a TRP sell. Now, the momentum is still tilted up on all 3 of these time frames. It's on the hourly time frame that exposes that very clear shift in momentum, the drop we had today, and we've got these oscillating signals happening right now where we've got positive, negative, positive, negative. This is usually ahead of a consolidate and continue higher or a change in direction. Now, because we don't have as much fuel on the 4-hour chart, it is more likely that we have some downside risk, but we've played through some of that today. So we're still in a very mixed state. When we get it down into the end of the day on a 5-minute chart for day traders, it's fairly clear that the market has got lots of tradability. From sell signals, you can see very clearly here from the morning, where the S&P E-minis were in and around the 60.35 area, taking that sell signal into a runaway format. We had a sell signal with a negative momentum, taking us all the way down to the bottom of the channel, and from 60.35 coming down to roughly that 59.85 area. Now, that's an impressive 50-point move, and it has been signaled by the TRP toolkit. Now, these are the types of runaway breakdowns and, of course, moves up that I'm going to be teaching you all about tomorrow. And I'm going to teach you how to scan for them to save time and avoid wasting time in front of the screen as an active trader. This session is open to all types of traders, traders that have small accounts, big accounts, very experienced, or just getting into the game and taking that decades and decades of experience into a straightforward, powerful toolkit that I'm going to help you learn all about tomorrow. Well, that's the name of the game for tomorrow's session. It starts at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday, November the 13th. It is not a recorded session. It's a do not miss for this type of tradable market. Looking forward to seeing you there. And of course, go to becomebettertrader.com/yes to get your seat and make sure that you're there on time at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Central, tomorrow, Wednesday, November the 13th. Looking forward to seeing you there, and thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.